So today's polishing day. I'm going to try out StoneChat. It's a floor polisher, but they also market it as a countertop polisher by taking off the handle and replacing it with this short handle. It has this 13-inch disc on it with 6 Velcro 4-inch pads on it. And right now I'm going to start off with these aggressive metal bond 30 grit 3-inch discs. And what I'm doing is trying to take these down to take out any marks left from the wire saw. You can see right here I've got this chatter mark from where I stopped and start. That's about 1.5 millimeters deep scratch in there. So I have to take off a fair amount. Before I polish it here, I'll show you what it looks like unpolished. See, you got rid of that deep scratch. It's been a good half hour, but I am just learning how to use this. With the 40-pound weight on there, it takes a bit of muscle to control it, at least for me right now. So I'm just going to take the red crayon here and make sure there's no low spots or anything. One quick pass over, and then I'll move to the next one. I'll have to double check, but I think I've been going a good 45 minutes. It's pretty much gone. I'm just put the crayon here again. I'm going to go over this now one more time, make sure there's no low spots, and then move on to the next grit. So now I'm moving on from the metal bond pads to the resin ones, and these are still 30 grit. Look here. Let's see, the scratches are they're pretty deep. So hopefully this starts going a bit quicker now that I've gotten rid of the big deep gouge marks. Just done this one on the right here with the 100 grit. Once I switched to the resin-based pads, the machine became a lot easier to use. With the metal bond pads there, you've really got to put a bit of muscle into controlling it, but with these ones, it just glides on the surface, even with the 40-pound weight on top. So right now this is at that's at 50 grit, and I'm just about to go to 100 on here. So I left off at 400 grit. And it's a nice consistent finish. Just doing a quick check over now to make sure there's no scratches that I've missed on lower grits. And then now I'm on 800 grit, and I've switched to these 4-inch pads. And this should go fairly quick now, from 800 to 1500, 3000, and then buff. So just finished 800 grit on this stone here. Let's see if I can compare it with the 400 grit that's over here that I haven't done. The shine's just starting to come up. You can see with the sun reflecting there. So I screwed up, surprise, surprise. I went straight from 800 to 3000. When I was putting the 3000 grit away, I noticed, why do I have dry 1500? That's because I had forgotten to do the 1500. So I just got done now redoing at 1500. You can see I got a scratch visible here, so if I keep going, that scratch will be visible. So I'm gonna try a bit more on 1500 to see if I can get it to go away. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go back down to 800. There it is there again. Just seems to be right in this area here. I ended up going right down to 400 grit. And I'm pretty sure the scratches are gone now. It's literally like 30 seconds on 400 grit, so now I'll go back up. So here's the finished polish. See the reflection there of the trees.
What the? Oh, Craig's got a new video. So glad I subscribed.